What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy XL coming to you again with another repair. This is for the Mercedes S430. The year is 03. What I'm changing today is the brake pedal because I got a code that my reader took for the throttle position sensor. Now, the throttle position sensor is right here. If you take a look, it has a connector right here. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the old gas pedal and we're gonna install this one. It's gonna be 3 screws. We got one here. We have another one on the bottom here. And then we have this here where we're gonna plug into the throttle position sensor. And we have this. This has to go back into the same hole where the old gas pedal was coming out of. And this right here is that special kick pedal. So when you on the highway, you can take this and kind of push it down, and what it'll do, you kick it down, what it does is it gives you that extra boost. It'll take your engine and it'll just take it to another level and you'll just fly. As you can see, we came inside the car, inside the S430, and you can just take a look at the gas pedal. If you look up top, you can probably see the connection of where it goes inside the for the TSP. There's the kick right here. So we gotta take this off, and there's gonna be some screws under there. Once I get everything unassembled, I'll show you what we do after that. Also, I wanted to mention one thing too. Before you do something like this in the car, when you're unplugging different electronics, always try to remember to unplug the negative battery terminal so that way you don't have no electricity flowing through the car. All right, as you can see, I pulled out the pedal here. It was actually one screw right here. All right, it was a 10 millimeter. So I used this to get it out. And if you look in here, you will see there's a connector, all right, which if you look at the new pedal right here, that's where it connects. So it goes straight in there like that. Some cars also might have a connector right here, which is in the back of this. This is for the kick pedal. So if it has the cable, just unplug it from the old one and plug it right back into the new one here. All right, as you see, I just installed the new gas pedal. So I'm about to turn it on and hopefully the code goes away I had. I will post the results in a couple seconds. All right, I just got back from the test drive. The car felt amazing. Very smooth, felt like brand new. Like I said, I just pretty much plugged everything back in. There's a connector for here. This goes inside, there's like a little hole in there. Just put that in there. This here, the kick pedal. If your car has a connector, plug that back in. And then the one screw here, plus the top part. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure that it's in there good. You're good to go. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the box. Leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Holla at your boy.